YouTube. My name is KAWAIIMIKI and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those people who didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the hit notification below so that you will be updated to my YouTube other videos. So I'm going to do my unboxing Mikana jewelry, and this is from Mikana product, and I really love this product because it's not like totally sense that it just looks fashion jewelry, but it looks more legit and more expensive to look at. So I hope that you enjoy my YouTube video for today for unboxing the Mikana product. So I'm going also to put the link below to my description box to this URL or the website. So thank you so much. I hope you like it.